So you got a V-Bucks card and not sure how to redeem it. Here's a quick guide. First, head to epicgames.com/redeem using your web browser. Here, you can enter the 16-digit code on the back of your gift card. Alternatively, you can just go to your account settings and scroll here to redeem code to redeem your different gift cards. So if you have a gift card or a V-Bucks card, just click on the links accordingly and they'll take you to the website where you can redeem them. After putting in the 16 or 25-digit codes, if you're using your gift card or V-Bucks card, select the platform you play Fortnite on to receive your V-Bucks. Once confirmed, your V-Bucks will be added the next time you log into Fortnite. An important tip, make sure your Epic account is linked to your console or PC to receive the V-Bucks. And that's it. Like and follow for more Fortnite tips. See you in game!